Well, this one sucked for Monday, but it's okay. It's all right. As you can see, and I posted in the Discord, so none of you know I'm bullshitting. All right. I told you I was gonna post my real reality of trading and my losses, my wins, my break evens. You can go in the Discord, join it. I posted it, but I didn't go as heavy as I usually did because it's Monday. I only lost $147 per account, but we literally got stopped out by the fucking, just literally by like 0.25, which sucks. But again, it is what it is. So, all right, we'll walk you through the trade real quick, what I thought was happening. So, when we came into market open, I saw before market open, we had a 1 hour bullish SMT. NASDAQ was lagging. We also had this 1 hour imbalance right here on both indexes. So, in my opinion, we were going to be bullish, and we ended up being bullish. But we also had ISM services at ISM services PMI at 10 a.m. I entered before that, but we still would have hit our take profit regardless. But I entered around a minute early before my macro time frame, and we literally got stopped out by the tick. I followed my rules. I executed the trade, put my stop loss where it was supposed to be, got stopped. That's part of trading. So overall, I think I did pretty well today, but again, we got stopped out. We took a loss. It is what it is. But what I saw is my bias was a bullish. I scaled down into the 5-minute time frame, which I always do. And we were chopping around a little bit. I wanted to see a little bit more confirmation. I saw that we broke structure on the 15-minute time frame on NASDAQ, so I decided to look for longs. So I scaled down to the 5-minute time frame. I saw we came down into this imbalance again, this 1 hour imbalance. So I wanted to see buying pressure out of it. So what I did is I saw we broke structure to the upside. When did we break structure to the upside? We broke structure to the upside in pre-market. We had an order block. So our order block was this right here. We had our order block. NASDAQ was coming up for these 4 hour highs. I thought we were going to come out and take them, which we did. And I scaled down to the 1 minute time frame. And I decided to enter on ES because I thought ES was lagging, but I really should have entered on NASDAQ. NASDAQ would have played out. ES, it didn't. So what I saw is we came back down into the order block. We got buying pressure out of the order block. I didn't want to enter here yet because it was a little bit too early. We had this fair value gap right here. I'm going to X this out just so you guys don't get a little confused. We had this fair value gap right here along with equilibrium, right? I was waiting for us to respect this fair value gap and equilibrium. And for another confirmation, I saw a bearish imbalance form. So I wanted to see us disrespect that also. So as you can see, we ended up respecting equilibrium, respecting the fair value gap, and then disrespecting the bearish fair value gap. So again, there's 3 more confluences for me to make me want to take this trade. I decided to enter off of the validation of the bearish fair value gap, targeting these 4 hour highs, and then putting my stop loss literally below these lows. I even put it a couple ticks below. I think my stop loss was at, let me see real quick, 5655.75. Let me take this magnet off. 75. Boom. So that was my stop loss. Literally got stopped out by the tick. And we would have hit a 1 to 2 risk to reward on that. But as you can see, we got stopped out. Price rallied up. Took out our take profit level. And then we got fucked. It's all right. It's all right. I'm just kidding. It is what it is. I'm going to be done trading for today. I don't think price is going to do anything else but chop around. But I saw my opportunity. I took it. Didn't play out our way. Would have played out on NASDAQ. But we took it on ES. And it did not play out in our favor. So we'll trade tomorrow. We'll hop back on the live. You guys can join the Discord. It is free. Just hop on the Discord. You can watch me trade live every day if you'd like. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll go with the rest of the week. So other than that, we took a loss today. I think it was minus $147 per account, which isn't bad. It sucks to take a loss to start off the week, especially like that. but we're not going to get emotional. We're going to stick to the plan, stick to what we know the long-term plan is, and hopefully we hit a couple more wins the rest of the week. So hopefully you guys learned a little bit from this again. Again, I go back and look at this instead of journaling it. But overall, I think today just didn't play out in my way. I followed my rules. I followed my plan. I saw the setup, took it, just didn't end up playing my way. We literally got stopped out by the tick. It is what it is, and then that's about it. So again, hopefully you learned a little bit. We'll keep doing these, and I appreciate it.